Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. Today, we're diving into the Zillow Rentals app, a popular platform for finding rental properties across the US. Whether you're searching for an apartment, a house, or a condo, Zillow Rentals offers a streamlined experience with useful tools to help you secure your next home. But is it worth using? Let's go over its features, pros and cons, and what users are saying. Zillow Rentals provides a vast database of listings, updated frequently to reflect market availability. You can filter searches by price, location, number of bedrooms, and amenities, making it easy to find properties that fit your needs. The app also includes interactive maps, saved searches, and alerts for new listings that match your criteria. Plus, Zillow offers a rental application feature, allowing you to apply to multiple listings with a single application. On the positive side, Zillow Rentals is user-friendly, with a clean interface and detailed property descriptions, including high-quality photos and 3D tours in some cases. The search filters are extensive, making it easier to narrow down options. Many users appreciate the ability to contact landlords directly through the app, and the notification system helps renters stay ahead of the competition in fast-moving markets. However, there are some downsides. One of the biggest complaints from users is that some listings are outdated or inaccurate, leading to wasted time. Another common issue is the occasional presence of scams, where fraudulent listings appear on the platform despite Zillow's efforts to remove them. Some users have also noted that landlords don't always respond to inquiries made through the app, which can be frustrating when trying to secure a rental quickly. User reviews of Zillow Rentals are mixed. Many praise its ease of use and large inventory, but others express frustration with outdated listings and unresponsive landlords. While it can be a valuable tool for rental searches, it's always good to cross-check listings with other platforms and verify details before committing. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or other inquiries, please email tutoriallorebiz@gmail.com.